start the clock.
Hey, come on guys, 30 seconds.
And my God, back is cooking. 30 seconds. First possession, blue. Next possession, red. 3 for 3, no. Rebounded by James. George. Pass back to James. To Mike. Stolen by Brett. Bounce pass.
Oh, sige,
Bob
camping.
in the glass. Assist from Jay. 2 points for Bob. First. Number 2. Mount Eddie, no good. Rebounded by Jay. See Jay. Ball to Jay. Bob. Short. No, rebounded by Jay. Trey almost lost it. Recovered by Bong. Bob to Bong. To Jay. To Bob for 3. Nope. Rebounded by Nicola.
Takbo, Bert!
7-7 for 3. Nope. Ball with a rebound. 2-0 still the score. Ball to Bob. To Jay. Jay is in the glass. No. Very good with a rebound. Offensive rebound by Brett. Trey resets it. Gives it to Ball. Gets a pick from Jay. Jumper by Ball. Nope. Luka, another rebound. Tira mo na, yan. Luka, another shot. Yes. Ayaw mo patayan, Luka. 3-2 is the score. Neighborhood Roofing by 1 point.
Sarap ng takbo ng Luka.
Dalawang malamban tayo, no? 7 minutes. Bob for 3. Short. Jay. Offensive rebound follows it up. And he got fouled by 65. George. That's George's first personal, first team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. 2 shots for Jay Birun. First basket for Jay is good. 3-3 is the score. Second free throw for Jay is also good. 4-3 on the shield. Isa ang lamang. George to Eddie. Pass to Mike. Simple assist from Eddie to Mike. 5-4. Bird jumper. Yes. Good assist to Jay Birun. 6-5. 5 minutes 50 remaining in the first quarter. 6-5 is the score. Mike. Pass to Eddie. Lost the ball. Steal by Jay. Trey. Pass to Jay Birun. Three for 3. Up. Hit the backboard. Let's do the substitution. 6-5 on the shield by 1 point. 5 minutes, 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter. George bringing down the ball. Pass to Winston, to Mike, and Jay. Reverse layup is good. Give the assist to Winston. Jason to Logan. First touch to Yura. Rebound by George. George crossover, triple team. Will it hit the glass? Will it hit the rim? Logan! Nice play. Foul on Luka, number 77. It's a good foul by Luka.
Two
First
shots.
personal on Luka, second team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. Inbound by Parts. The Trey, three, yes. On net for Trey, 9-7 is the score. 2-point lead for Omnishoot. Time remaining, 15. By the 10-9. Johnson, kita ni George, na-score ni George. 10-9 is the score. Bounce pass to Reynante. Reynante out to Winston. To Mike. Yes. Another assist credit for Winston. 2 points for good Mike. Trey goes to Burrows. Decided to bring it out to Jason. To Barnes, quick shot down. Observe shot ay nilayat mo eh. Block by good Mike. Malamat ang card. George, no good. Rebound by Mike. Follow up, no good. Never controls the ball. Jay. No good. Winston with the rebound. Luka. For 3. No good. Trey with the rebound. And Jay. Logan for 3. Short. Jay powers the rebound, but George has it. Pass to Mike. To Reynante. Reynante. Thinks about it. Pass it back to outside to Mike. Double team. Jay with a steal. 1-on-1 against George. Using the glass. No good. With Mike. Credit with the rebound. Luka. Yeah. 59. 6-point lead for Neighborhood Roofing. 1 minute 45 remaining. 15-9. Anim ang kalamangan ng Neighborhood. Logan libre! Ay! Hindi pumasok. Mike. Ready na nalulungan for Mike. George bringing down the ball. Pass to Reynante. Reynante for 3. Yes! Assist from George. 3 for Reynante. It's a 9-point lead now for Neighborhood. Logan to Jay. Back to Logan. Logan lays it up short. Rebound by Logan. Logan. Tira ulit. Hindi naman. Outside for Red. 59 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Score is 89, 9-point lead for Neighborhood Roofing. 45 seconds. Big Mike goes to knock against Jay. One-legged shot, no good. Rebounded by 11. 11. Pass to turnover. Stool by Reynante. Counter stool by Jason. Jason to Jay. Jay against Big Mike to Jason. Jason taking number 3. Short. Long rebound by Reynante against Sparks. He got fouled by number 68. Kendra. Foul on Parks. That's his first personal. Red ball. Your next five. Come on. Ball remains with red. Ball na, Mike. James. Let's play ball. Let's play ball. To Winston. Winston double team. Out to Huevi. Huevi out to James. James crossing the baseline. Oh, steal by Trey. Trey to Burke. Up step. For two. Trey with an assist. 11-18. 7-point lead. Big Mike, he got fouled by 80. But first personal on Bert. First team foul or blocking. George. Jumper, favorite goal. Sayang, di masok. Rebound by Bone. Ball remains with the blue. Trey bring down the ball. Passes to Jason. Jason for three. Yes! Oh man! Don't leave that man alone. 18-14, down to a 4-point lead. 8 minutes 35 remaining in the second quarter. George takes, pass to Macanor, to Mike. Mike, triple team, but foul on number 11, Jason. That's Jason's first personal, second team foul. Full personal na kay Jason, sorry. First personal, sorry. Tumatalo kayo, huwag naman kayo. James foul. First personal on James. First team foul on Neighborhood. 3 for 3. No. Mike the rebounds. 18-14. 4-point lead for Neighborhood. George to Big Mike. Big Mike. He got fouled by 62. That is Bob. Second personal on Bob. Third team foul on Omnishield. 2 shots for Mike. First basket for Mike is good. 19-14. 5-point lead for Neighborhood Roofing. Second basket for Mike is good. 20-14. 6 points. Aling po ang kalamangan ng Neighborhood Roofing. Trey versus Macanor. Basketball. To Jason. Fakes. Wow, what a fake by Jason. Oh, sayang. Rebounded by Mike. Manamatakad. 20-14, 6-point lead on the Neighborhood. As George to Macanor. Strong. Rebound by Bone. Bone access to Trey. Trey was lost it. To Jason. Jason. Oh, what a pass by Trey to Jason. 20-16, 4-point lead, 6 minutes to go in the second quarter. George versus Bond. George to the shot. Yes, power move by George. 22-16. Bad jumper, no. Mike long rebound. 22-16, 6-point lead for Neighborhood Roofing. Big Mike first. Takes again. Spins. Pass to James. James back to Mike. Mike to George. Waits, sets it up, gets a big from Winston, steal by Bob. Bob got fouled by James. Second personal on James. Second team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. Timeout. What's that? 5 minutes substitution. It's not a timeout. Come on. Correct. Blue ball.
Jingson, hindi ka pa nakakuta.
11. Bards. Bards. You take it there. Bards. Come on. 3. No good. Winston with the rebound. Makanor. Ahead of everybody. Using the glass. Yes. Makanor. 2 points. Give the assist to Hernante. Kay Winston pala. Ayaw ni Hernante. Bigyan niya kay Winston. Sorry. Ball. Right to Hernante. Go another shot. No good. Hernante rebound. Pinagpala ng rebound.
Dito, tulong mo.
24-16, 8-point lead. With Mike taking us a point. Jumper, no. Oh, rebound. 27-16, Balloon to an 11-point lead. With 3 minutes 30 remaining in the first half. Jay versus Winston. Jay, jumper, third round, no good. Long rebound, Buka gets it.
Mike, press the mic. Right.
One take over. Number 3 for the five. Jump ball. Blue ball. Possession arrow to blue. Don't expect. Lahat lang. 11. Bert, it's allowed to ball, jumper. My pocket, Makanor, pass to Luma. Yes. Give the assist to Makanor. 2 points, 29-16. Labing tatlo ang lamang. Large hook shot. And out. Ball remains with you. Papasok din yan. You're open. Love it. Oh, blocked by Mike. Out to Lovin. Jumper, no good. Hernante. Wala naman si Makanor. Pinasang linya. Meron ngayon Guardia. Steal by Lovin. 3 against 3 to Jay to steal by Hernante. Okay na, Hernante. Alright. What a steal by Hernante. Time out. Neighborhood Roofing. The score is 29-16. 30-point lead for Neighborhood with 1 minute 40 remaining in the first half.
Balik. Shoot it. Nice. Good shot. Okay. Diop. Aras.
On the back of the ball game, Lovin. Good jumper. Nope. Ball remains with blue. Reynante to Winston. Winston
Pass!
to Mike. That was the steal, but recovered by Mike. Jumper strong. Rebound by Joe against two. Shot! Yes! Mr. Hook, it's his layup with an assist from Jay. 29-18, 11-point lead. 30 seconds to go. Winston, yes! Hindi mo namin assist kayo ng Dante. Kahit na wala ko kayo sa 32-18, 14-point lead. Oh, correct. 10 seconds remaining. Loven. Oh, ayaw pa rin Loven. Rebound by Reynante. 5 seconds to go. Oh, Lito. Dami na score ni Lito. Our best player of the first half is Lito. Luka, 34-18, 16-point lead. Red, blue ball. Yep. Red, next possession, red. Bob to Trey to Bert, to Jason. Out again to Jason. Jason makes his move to Bert, jumper. Yes, wow, ganda play. Assist from Jason, 2 points for Bert. 34-20, 14-point lead. Neighborhood. James to Eddie. Steal by Jason. Jason. Foul by number 2, Reynante. First foul on Reynante. First team foul on Neighborhood grouping. 9 minutes. Ball to Bob for 3. Nope, James. Oh, lost the ball. Recovered by Bob. 3 by Trey. 24-23. George. Recovered by George. Bounce pass to James. Oh, stepping on the line. Turnover for Red.
Hey!
The game running.
What's up, man? Hey, come on!
Bert. Blocked by Big Mike. Iba ng
Hold it, George! Hold it, George!
Oh, steal by Jason. Ball. To Bob. Bob to Trey for 3. Yes! Back-to-back threes for Trey.
Okay! Come on, man!
34-26. And out Neighborhood.
Kapoy na kapoy.
That's their first time out of the second. 7 minutes, 10 to go in the third quarter. George. To Kuya to Big Mike. 8-0. Bonus shot for Big Mike. That's the second personal on Bert. First team foul on the shoe. Mike blocked. You got a picture on straight. To Bong, layup, no good, but he got fouled by Big Mike. First personal on Mike. First team foul. 2 shots for Bong. First free throw by Bong is good. 36-27. 9 points.
Hey!
In and out. Rebound by George. Pressured by Jameson. Double team by Bob. Out back to James. Cross court to James. James. Three. Nope. Rebound by Trey.
Hey!
He got fouled by 24. Creative foul. First personal foul on Macanor. Substitution. 5 minutes.
Macanor!
Second team foul on neighborhood roofing. 2 shots for Trey. Make sure
Bilis na
everybody
makuha ng
plays.
Macanor eh.
First free throw by Trey is good. 36-28. Second free throw by Trey, also good. 7-point lead, 36-29. With 4:35 remaining in the third quarter. George from pass to Big Mike. Recovered by James. James back to George against Logan. James, Big Mike, lost the ball, but referee called a foul on number 80, Bert. Third personal. Oh, another foul from Bert. Fourth personal on Bert. Third team foul on the shield. 2 shots for Big Mike.
Don't take it some separate ka. Naglaro kanina. Naglaro kanina eh. Oh, you guys have it. You want? Stop. You guys have Bert. First time. Ay, next up na. Next up na sila. No, hindi mo na pwede sila.
Second basket by Mike is good. 37-29. The first 5 minutes share. To Bong jumper, yes, 3 points for Bong. 37-32. Turnover, blue.
Paspas!
Foul on number 65, George.
Tira, Trey!
Second personal on George. 13 foul. 11. Fives. Stop. Pass to Bong.
tinapon.
No good. Ball goes to Blue. 37-34. Tatlo na lang po.
Tira!
1 minute to remain. Jay for three.
There you go.
Shot. Rebound by Jay. Yes! Isa na lang. 37-36. 1 minute 20 remaining in the third quarter. Luka. As touched by Blue, ball remains with Neighborhood. Time remaining 1 minute in the third quarter. Big Mike, third round, yes. Ang garantira ni Big Mike. 39-36, back for three in the lead. 50 seconds. And the crowd, 11. Whose foul is it?
Ball!
65. Third personal, George. 14 foul on Neighborhood. 25 seconds remaining. Bonus shot for Robin. Short. Rebound by Winston. Luka against Sparks. To George. George to James. To Big Mike. Jumper short. Robin with a rebound. Foul. Throws it out. James with a rebound. Not counted. It goes in.
Laro, Abus!
Next possession is ball possession is red. Let's go. This is now timeout. 1 point lead for Neighborhood Roofing.
Ibang sa kwan ba?
I think substitution and 24 second shot clock.
Ito nga, sa linya.
1 point lead. George. 15 second shot clock. Big Mike. Jumper. Nope. Rebound by Trey. Trey to Robin for three. Nope. Trey, rebound. Pass to Boom jumper. No, lakas. Rebound again by Trey. Trey, binatala lang. Good, Boom, another rebound. Binatala ulit. Winston controls the board. Urban lang. George takes James to Luka. Yes! Ang ganda ng tira ni Luka. Size 41-43. Well focused. 41-13, I should say. Mali ang pass ko. 50 second shot clock. 3 by Trey. Mike, rebounds it. George outlet to Luka. Assist from George. Back to a 5-point lead, 43-38, with 8 minutes 30 remaining. Rebound, Mike. George, pass over. Back by James. Bob. 2 points. Post to post for Bob. 43-40. 8 minutes, 5 seconds to go.
Taas pa kayo ng oras, Babo.
Guarded by Robin.
Taas pa kayo ng oras. Magsok mo lang.
Back to George, to James.
Bob, help!
Foul and one for Big Mike.
Stop! Sino pahinga?
Blue 50, Jay.
Okay lang, Jay?
Jay Blue foul.
Careful.
First personal on Jay. First team foul on Omni. Who will call timeout? First timeout of the shield. One timeout each for each team. One timeout for each team. 45-40. Time remaining 7 minutes 31. Back in the ball game, bonus free throw for Big Mike. Here we go.
Dalawa kayo nilig sa buwan.
Bonus free throw, one shot. Bonus shot for Big Mike is good. 6 points. 6 point lead. 46-40.
Lapit, Wilson.
15-second shot clock. Bird jumper. Yes. Parang nagiging favorite shot ni Bird yan. 7 minutes 15. 46-42. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Oh, it's a steal. George, yes! Ganda naman yun. Nalawala na. Patuloy, naging pa. 15-second shot clock. So,
Ay, ay, ay.
48-42. 6 minutes 35 remaining.
Bob, size 10 kasi yung sapatos mo. Size 10.
Wala Wilson.
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Steal by Bob.
Lapit.
15-second shot clock.
Good day.
10 seconds.
Lapit.
Trail for 3. No. Long rebound. Nakakuha ni Bud.
Sila. Shot.
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Na-open si Mike. Yes!
Wilson.
50-42. Back to an 8-point lead for Neighborhood. 5:35 remaining. 15-second shot clock. Bob. Nope. Mike. Another rebound. Walo ang kalamangan. 50-42.
Peso.
15-second shot clock.
Sila Wilson.
10 seconds. Winston, pass to Big Mike. Steal by Bob, by Bob. Foul on hopping foul. Second personal on Duka. First team on Neighborhood.
Corner. Wilson, wag mo iwan si Bob.
15-second shot clock.
Wilson, salutin ko, Wilson.
Trey. Back to Bert. To Bo. Ball for 3. Down to 5. 50-45.
Sige, defense, come on. Ayan, Di, bigyan mo ng pick si George.
4 minutes 10 remaining. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds.
Tira!
Nice jumper by George.
Lapit.
52-45. Very patient. 15-second shot clock.
Winston, si Trey.
10 seconds.
Winston, si Trey.
Bert to Trey, long. Oh, Trey recovers the ball. Steal by George. 52-45. 3 minutes 18 remaining. 15-second shot clock. Big Mark posting up. Oh, Trey with a rebound. 2 minutes to go. Foul on Mancador. Number 24. That's his second personal. Second team foul. 8 minutes 45. 15-second shot clock. Foul. Number 65. Fourth personal George. Third team foul. Neighborhood. Jason, this is the shot. 2 minutes 15 seconds remaining.
George!
52-45, 7-point lead. 15-second shot clock. Jump ball, blue ball. Ayun, Mr. 15-second shot clock. Good jumper, nope. Red ball, 1 minute 40 remaining.
Asyong! James! Hey, kabila! George! Oras.
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds.
Rebound! Nice!
Rebound and foul by Luka.
Harap, dipisa!
54-45, 9 points. 15-second shot clock.
Taas!
10 seconds. Jason for 3, short. Rebound by Jason. Bob for 3, no good. Ball with the rebound. 3. Throws it up, using the glass for 3. For 54-48, adding 30 seconds remaining. Steal by Bob. Time out. On the shield, that's their last time out. 35, this is time out clock. 35.1 seconds. 54-48, 6 point. Dalawang tres.
Pag hindi pa na-recall na pula, wala mo nang bababa.
One timeout left for neighborhood.
Hey,
35.1 seconds remaining.
hold on.
This game, Logan goes it up. Rebounds it. 20 seconds remaining. Goes it out. 16 more seconds.
Hey,
16
16
seconds.
16 seconds. 16 seconds.
Hey,
16 seconds. Wag. No, let it fall, man.